We commonly get questions about how Nutribullet and Vitamix compare, and traditionally we've just said they're really not even a comparison. Vitamix is a full-size blender, and the Nutribullet is a small portable personal blender. But now in 2019, Nutribullet came out with its combo blender, which is a full-size blender. You can see it on the left there with its 64-ounce pitcher. And this is the Vitamix 5200 on the right. It's the most popular and I guess classic best-selling Vitamix that's been widely tested. And we just went through a series of tests with the Nutribullet combo, and it actually did quite well at blending smoothies with the pitcher. It also includes their smaller cups and their newer designed extractor blade that worked pretty well with smoothies. So if you like the convenience of having both a smoothie single serve blender and a full-size pitcher, that is a nice advantage of the Nutribullet. When it comes to the Vitamix, though, the power is incomparable. The Nutribullet, while it does well with smoothies and blended liquid drinks, the Vitamix has more versatility when it comes to not only blending dry ingredients, because the Nutribullet combo is not supposed to blend just dry ingredients. So for the Vitamix, it's going to win out when making nut butters. If you're going to blend flours or make batters, I'd say go with the Vitamix. Especially if you're going to be doing lots of soups, the Vitamix can blend up cold ingredients into hot soups just from the friction. The Nutribullet can only just blend ingredients, and then you'd have to pour them into a container to make the hot soup. So if you're going to be a serious user, really want to adopt a lot more blended foods and a variety of recipes, then the Vitamix is going to be a workhorse. Quality wise too, the Vitamix is just built better. Not to say that the Nutribullet's bad, but at the price point it is built with a lot more plastic. You can see all the plastic components here. Vitamix is much more heavy duty with a metal drivetrain, metal gear system, heavier duty on the bottom of the cups with the spindle system, whereas the Nutribullet uses their traditional design. It's plastic coated, you can see here. Not bad, but it only has a 1-year warranty versus Vitamix can range anywhere from 7 to as much as 10 years on some of the new models. One thing I'll compare for noise wise, some people were curious, is the noise difference. So I'm going to hit the high speed on the Nutribullet combo. Turn on here. Do the Vitamix. I'd actually say the Vitamix is a little quieter. It sounds like the base motor area is a little more noise dampened than the Nutribullet combo, and the Vitamix does have significantly more power and is yet still a little quieter. So noise wise, I'd say the Vitamix sounds a little quieter. I didn't run a decibel testing, but that's just from standing here hearing the noise difference. For other models comparable between Nutribullet and Vitamix, there really isn't a lot of other comparable options. Vitamix does have the personal blender, the S series, and that is a very solid blender, though usually it's a little high of a price point just for a personal size blender. So I'd say that really the only comparable model is a full size blender, and this is Nutribullet's new combo blender. So overall, I'd say the Nutribullet combo had some good blending results, and it's great for smoothie users and someone that just wants that price point in the mid-low 100 price range. Versus Vitamix, you're getting into the $300 to $500 range. Although keep in mind, Vitamix will outlast most any other blender on the market and has a more substantial warranty claim period. So I think that's about it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.